Yeah, right here. Okay, well, new rim time. Okay, where is it? Right here.
That's actually a pretty big crack.
What's going on there?
Can't get it out, so I gotta put it back in. This is big brain time. Look at that. That was so amazingly big brain that you wouldn't be able to believe it. See, this is how you know humans are evolving.
Okay, so just for a quick update on what's happening, I went off the Valhalla drop. I broke my wheel. And now I'm switching wheels with Michael so we can continue filming. But we need to switch rotors. But my multi-tool is a piece of shit. So we have to use a rock to jam the multi-tool into the T25 bolts on the rotor. So here we are. Yeah, here's a review of the Crank Brothers multi-tool. It sucks like ass.
Okay,
Actually, no, it's good. It's good except for all the bits of the multi-tool bits like are just the wrong shape. Like even the Allen keys.
they're just too fat and they're not sharp enough.
Yeah. You like get bucked in the air, and then you have to turn right after.
Do you need help?
I think I got it.
Okay. Slip, 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 slip.
Okay, coming. Oh, I kept it in! God damn it, it's so hard.
My dick is hard. Here we have Roshan. I don't know why he's trying to climb up the bowling alley. But he is.
We should go rock climbing.
Yeah? Okay. I'm really hoping you don't slip into a backflip.
If I slip, I'll just slide down on my stomach. Here, I'll go around this way.
What are you doing? How are you getting up from there?
Because it's easier, I think.
Okay.
Fuck. You know, actually, this is like a good problem-solving thing.
Oh.
Like, I gotta figure out how to get up without dying.
Yeah, you could go around.
Oh yeah.
Hey Roshan, what do you rate the burritos? Sure.
2 stars.
2 stars?
Yeah.
Why is it 2 stars?
The other one's better.
Which other one?
The one from the other burrito place.
Okay.
Can I see that for a second?
Oh yeah, man.
Okay, he's here.
Can you see her?
Oh, yeah.